Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Tumblr account. So for this, if you go to your Tumblr app, you will see that you have no option in order to delete your Tumblr account. So even if you go to your general settings and scroll through, you will see that there's only a logout option in the end and there's no option for deleting your account. So for this, what you have to do is you have to sign into your Tumblr account on a web browser. So here, just go to a web browser and then sign into your Tumblr account. Here you can see that I've already been logged into my Tumblr. So now what I can do is I can see that on the top left corner there are 3 lines. I can simply tap on it and then scroll downwards and go to settings. When I land on this page, there are different options. I simply have to tap on account. And as soon as I tap on account, an interface like this will be displayed on my screen. So you can see here there are numerous options. Zoom in to view the options clearly. And then when you scroll through, you will see that on the bottom right corner, you have an option that says delete account. So simply tap on delete account. And then what you have to do is you have to log in again in order to confirm that you are the one who is trying to delete your account and that it's not probably somebody else trying to do this. So here I'm just entering my email address. After you entering your email address, you also have to enter the password. So here I'm just going to enter the password. Now what you have to know before deleting your account is that once you confirm the deletion of your account, you will lose everything associated to your account, be it your username, your themes, the loves, the likes, messages, and everything you've ever posted will be gone forever. So if you want to not continue with this step, simply tap on never mind. But if you are confirmed that you want to delete your account, tap on delete everything. Once you tap on delete everything, you will be shown an interface like this that says that it is gone. So your account will now have been gone. In order to confirm, just simply go back to your Tumblr app. It says that Tumblr has never heard of you. So this is how your account will get deleted. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you like the video, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit the bell notification icon so that you do not miss out on any of our tutorial videos. Thank you so much for watching.